Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Google Pay in your Shopify store. So let's get in. What you want to do is go over to the left hand side. At the bottom of your screen you will see settings. Now we're going to jump into settings, and once we've jumped into settings we're going to look from this menu over here for the payments option. Now once we're in payments option, we're going to go ahead and right from here at the top you'll see choose a provider. Now here you can enter in Google Pay. Right? Now Google Pay is not available within my country, but once it is, you will have the option to click on perhaps the provider, and here you can add this as your payment method to a customer that's purchasing a product. You will go ahead and tap on install on the right hand side, and you will go through the prompts of installing the payment method. Now, if this video was helpful, please do show your support, drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.